In the heart of a raging storm, banners flew high as knights clashed in a battle that would decide the fate of a kingdom. The sound of steel on steel echoed through the valley, where courage met chaos. Among the fallen, one figure stood tall, a valiant knight named Sir Cedric, his armor gleaming despite the mud and blood of the battlefield. Sir Cedric, sworn to protect his king, faced a daunting mission: to quell the treachery that threatened his realm from within. With his noble heart, he sought not only to defend his throne, but to restore honor to a kingdom rife with betrayal and greed. His beloved queen, Alara, watched from the castle, her heart heavy with fear and hope. As Cedric embarked on his quest, the landscape transformed, from the lush green of the forest to the ominous shadows of the mountains. He navigated the treacherous feudal politics, where alliances shifted like the wind, and every move could mean the difference between glory and ruin. But lurking in the shadows was the dark power of the rival knight, Lord Malric, whose ambition knew no bounds. With a heart full of vengeance, he sought to take the throne for himself, rallying dark forces that threatened not only Cedric's life, but the very soul of the kingdom. As battles erupted and loyalties were tested, Cedric faced not only the sword of his enemies, but also the betrayal of those he once called friends. Each decision weighed heavily, forcing him to choose between love for Alara and his duty to the crown, leading to heart-wrenching moments of sacrifice. The climax unfolded in a fierce confrontation between Cedric and Malric on the battlefield. The clash of swords echoed like thunder, and as the dust settled, the price of power became clear. With honor restored or lost, Cedric's choices would leave an indelible mark on the kingdom's history, reminding all of the true cost of valor.